Hello, guys. Welcome back into our channel, guys. Yeah. So, guys, before I start, guys, remember that we are coming from that week of NFP, guys. Yeah. So we moved from the first week of January, guys. Yeah. So now we're in the second week. I hope all of you realize that the market is back from that time it was on the holidays, guys. Do you still remember December? The market wasn't moving, guys. Yeah. So now the market recovered, guys. Yeah. So in today's video, guys, we're basically gonna do a Sunday market breakdown, guys. As you all know that we're doing it every week. We're preparing for the week, guys. Yeah. So let's forget about everything that happened last week, but we learn from. We learned from everything that happened last week, guys, with the losses we had, and also the the position that we got right, we got them right. Yeah. So we should learn from the losses too. So the way I see this thing, what we call Euro USD. I'm gonna start with it. The way I see Euro USD, guys, I've been analyzing this thing for the past 4 weeks. I think, yeah, I think it took a month of actually being around here. So, guys, what I'm seeing right now, I don't know if maybe what has been happening. It was an impulse. Now we're in a correctional phase, but and then we're still going up. But remember, guys, we have a probability and possibilities. So those are the possibilities that might happen in the market. But what I see right now, I'm seeing Euro USD coming to mitigate this order block. Here, let me open 4 hour. Yeah, on 4 hour, I think it's clean. So, guys, what basically happened here, guys? Where the market mitigated the order block during I don't remember, but it was last year, guys. Yeah, so it came back. Right now it created a new order block here. So look what the market did currently here. So the market came build a liquidity around this order block. But this type of order block is those type of ones, guys, I really like to avoid. Why? Because of look at how the market came here in this impulsive move. So I don't really like to take this order blocks. I'm not saying I'm not trading them, but I just don't like them. I love those ones where the market would come in a reversal manner, or I mean in a corrective manner, so that I can get a position here when the market is weakening. But right now, the way the market approached this order block, it came with this momentum. So I'm avoiding such positions. So with this one, guys, I'm just gonna wait. Since tomorrow it's Monday, guys, I'm just gonna wait and then see what the market is telling us what to do. But for those who wanna take it, make sure that your stop loss is very tight here. Yeah. So now I'm gonna move on the another pair. It's gonna be USD CAD. USD CAD is one of the pairs that were affected by NFP last week, and also is it employment or unemployment change? Yeah. During NFP, guys, we have those two major events. NFP, it happens at the same time with the unemployment change, unemployment or employment change, something like that. Yeah, but it got affected. Look what happened with these candlesticks. You can tell that this candlestick they all happened in a day. So, guys, with that being said, let's focus on it. What is in it? So, guys, remember, like here, we're having these two order blocks. Look what is happening with these two order blocks. We're having a liquidity belt here, guys. Yeah, closer to this order block. So I don't really like to take this type of order blocks. But then with this ones, I'm thinking of doing what? I'm thinking of actually, like, tomorrow it's Monday, and then look how the market mitigated this order block, right? You can see that it mitigated it in an impulsive way, guys. So you know that we don't like those type of we don't actually check those order blocks when the market where the market mitigates them impulsively. So I'm actually gonna wait for this one so that the market can come this side in a corrective manner, trying to weaken, so that with those reversal pattern, that's when I'm gonna take those buy positions. Guys, I'm not really like drawing the nice things. So as long as you understand like what I mean. Currently, I'm just trying by all means so that I can draw this video, but currently I don't have a good connection. So yeah, guys, bear with me for that. So I'm just gonna take a buy position if the market would do something like this. But if it continues coming on this order block in that impulsive way, I am not taking this one. So another pair is gonna be it's gonna be NZD USD. Yeah, sorry for that. NZD USD. One thing I see about it, why one thing I see about this thing on the what on the 4 hour on the 4 hour time frame, we change character somewhere here, guys. Build a liquidity, a nice liquidity was built there. You can see that the market is already is looking to take out those support and resistance trader. Those support and resistance traders, look with this touches. This what it was our first touch. Second touch, the market reacted here. Now the market is they think the market it will react here, and then you know that when when the market is doing something like this, while there's an order block above, you know very well that the order block is going to be valid. Look at the what do we call the imbalance it left here. And then one thing one thing we're gonna wait for here, guys, we're gonna wait for the market to come and mitigate in an impulsive way, in a corrective way. That's the only thing we could wait with this one. It's just so simple, guys. Yeah. The next pair is going to be DXY. DXY, I don't necessarily trade DXY, guys. You know that I just use it to look for or to check the strength of the dollar, guys. Yeah, with this one, guys. I used this one actually last week when we were trying to trade that NFP, guys. Yeah, during that NFP, I used a DXY to determine the direction, guys. Yeah, that's when I managed to get the direction of this one. Actually, we got two directions. We got the direction of Euro USD, and also, I mean, we took Euro USD, but I didn't share the Euro USD with you guys. But we also took the Euro USD position. I only shared the Nasdaq one. Yeah. With this one, guys, it was simple. Not here, we're not trading it. We're just confirming our trades using it, guys. Yeah. So on gold. So right now on gold, open on for. I think the market. I think the market is now respected our order block. Previously, the market was around didn't respect our order block, but right now I think the market mitigated our order block. But another thing also with this ones, guys, for those who are willing to take this one, guys, make sure that your stop loss is tight. I don't really like this type of positions, guys. Yeah, but it's a nice pair like to trade with this one too. So I'm just gonna avoid this type of pairs. So let me focus on some indices, guys. Indices, I'm gonna start with Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I'm still involved in this position, guys. Even though the even though it reached my target, guys. Yeah, but I locked my profit. Let me try to show you. I locked my profit up until here, guys. Yeah, then I left it. So the market closed before I could. The market closed. I didn't put a take profit actually. I just placed a position. I was managing it by locking the profit. So the market closed while I'm still involved in it. But if the market maybe could continue, remember even an order block above there, this would be a new liquidity, guys, here. So what I'm gonna wait for, if the market maybe would give me those continuation pattern, you know that I'm still gonna be able to scale in up until it reaches our order block there. But with this one, guys, I'm still involved. So for those who managed to get out, it was a nice thing for you guys. Yeah. So USD, what's happening with USD? USD, I think it recently mitigated our order block, but it mitigated our order block how? In those in an impulsive way. Look at this type of move, guys. The move that mitigated our order block is too impulsive, guys. There's no way I can take a sell position here. But then it did mitigate our order block. I'm not saying it's not possible. All I'm trying to say is that this type of positions, the the chances of them going in our direction, they are very slim. But with this one, I am not gonna take it. But for those who are willing to take it, make sure that you protect your capital. The stop loss is as tight as I don't know, but make sure that your stop loss is tight actually. So then, on German 30 right now, I'm seeing something like a similar thing actually happened. So guys, if you can check what happened after NFP, we had these impulsive moves, guys, and then those impulsive moves, they are on our order blocks. Also with this one, there's no way I can take a sell position here, guys. I will be donating my money to the market, guys. I'm not saying this type of position they are not. I mean, they are not respecting our strategy, but then with the way that we backtested our strategy, this type of positions are not advisable for us to take. But for those who are willing, guys, no pressure, guys. You can take them. With Ethereum, I'm also currently involved with this one. With this Ethereum, yeah, with Ethereum, it's too simple. Ethereum, guys. I think my entry was here actually. The market mitigated our order block came in impulsively, so I think my entry was somewhere around here. If I can try to put this thing like here, my entry was here because of like I thought like maybe after the market made an impulse, now it's giving us a continuation pattern. Then that's when I managed to enter again with the sell position, but my stop loss remained above there. It's above the order block. I didn't place my stop loss above this continuation pattern because of I knew that it was still early for the market to just go down. Actually, I wanted the market to go down, obviously, since I sold. But then I realized that it's still early for the market. Why? Because of like the market came in an impulsive way. They didn't commit yet that it might go down. So, guys, with this one, I'm still involved. My stop loss is there above. So, one thing I'm seeing again here, guys, I'm seeing something like a continuation pattern for me. So, like, this is a possibility. Uh, the chance of the market going down, guys, there's a probability that it might go down, but the chances of it going up, I mean, the possibility is there. Since we're having an impulse, now we're in a correctional phase, the market might still continue going up. Remember, we're having another order block, guys. They're actually having a lot of order blocks. The one above there, and then I'm seeing another one here. So shouldn't be ready to just get out of, I mean, just to sell when the market is coming here. But this one, guys, you know that we managed to take a buy position. Last week, I think I gave you this signal. Go watch the video I made about Ethereum, guys. I think I made the video on Tuesday. Yeah, go watch the video about Ethereum. This is the entry that we killed. Now I currently sold because of like I had those type of 1 2 3 pattern. This was our first touch. This is the second touch. This is the third touch. So I had this thing. The reason I couldn't enter sometime when the market came here because of it was impulsive. So after it made this a continuation pattern, yeah, then that's when I was like, the market is coming down. But there's no rush with this one, guys. To you know that the Ethereum is moving also in the weekends. Also today is moving, but then let's just relax for now. So with XRP, guys, I don't have much to analyze. Actually, I didn't analyze XRP, guys, but I can analyze it with you right now. But I didn't see much about it. With XRP, this thing is just crazy, guys. Trying to analyze this thing is like forcing things, guys. Yeah. If we don't see anything, guys, we don't see a structure or some patterns, yeah, we just move. How will I analyze this one, guys? Look how XRP is moving. This one I'm fine with it, but then one thing I realized here we had an impulse. Now we're in a correctional phase. Let me actually put those trend lines. Okay, yeah, sorry for that. Now we're in a correctional phase. Now I'm on falcon, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we're even something like this actually. So it's something like that. What I see, I cannot buy this thing when it hits my third touch here, guys. It will be just donating the money to the market. I don't wanna do that thing. Guys, I think with the pairs for today, I think I'm done. Actually, I analyzed everything, guys. Yeah. So, guys, I think I'm done. I'm done. So now I'm just on Nasdaq, guys. I just wanna emphasize something, guys, for those who are still holding, guys. If you're still holding, guys, please lock your profit here, guys. You will never know what's gonna happen. What if, like, when you wake up tomorrow, when the market opens, it might come down. When the market opens, it might do those gaps, and then you find it yourself being here, guys. Yo, I'm scared of that thing, but I locked my profit. So, guys, for the people who are new on our channel, guys, please subscribe into our channel, guys. Yeah, I hope each and everyone will benefit from our channel, guys. Yeah, cheers, guys. Yeah.